Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to find the cumulative total. So based on the month selection. For example, if I select June month means from the January month to June month, I need to find the running total, and also from the June month to December month, I need to find the running total. So it's like two different scenarios. We have already talked about how to find the month names based on the month selections, so we'll try to see today's video. So before in that, so please try to watch all my previous videos like SQL Server development, performance tuning, and SSIS SQL Server integration service, and also Power BI plus DAX, so that you'll get more familiar with the different technologies. Now I'll go to the Power BI desktop. There we can understand today's video demo. So for timing, already I have designed the report, so I'll try to explain so what are the steps I have followed to design this report and all. So before getting the details of the report, let me explain so what are the tables I have imported from the Excel to design this report and all. Okay, so customer, geography, dim product, sales territory, and a dim date, category, subcategory, internet sales. So these are the tables I have imported from the Excel, and also we'll try to understand what kind of relationship we have established between the dimension tables and fact tables. Understanding the relationship, it's very important in Power BI. We'll try to see that is also. Just click on model, collapse these two, scroll down a little bit. So now we can see that we have already enabled the relationship between the dimension tables and the fact tables. For example, if I place the mouse over here, we can see that based on the date column from the dim date and order date key in the fact internet sales, so I have enabled the relationship between these two. Even you can understand what kind of direction it's flowing. So it means that a filter propagation flowing from the dimension table to the fact table. So like that I have designed the relationship. We'll try to speak more in upcoming sessions, like how to detect automatic relationship, or how to create manually, how to delete the relationship, how to edit. We'll try to see all kind of possible options in the upcoming sessions. For timing, we'll try to understand towards report on it. Just click on report. So now we can see that we have two pages, so this one and this one. So I'll try to explain. So this is the table, this is the chart, and these two are slicers. So this is the year slicer, this is the month slicer. So here the requirement is, so for example, if I select May month in 2002, so I want to display running total from the January 1st onwards up to the 5th month. Okay, 5th month 31st onwards, May 31st onwards. So in 2002, based on the month selection from January to up to, so May month, I want to display the running total. So in this page, based on the month selection from this month onwards up to the end of the year, like December 31st, in this month I want to show the running total. Now we are seeing running total, right? Okay, so first we'll try to see. So similar kind of video already I have done, I think 1 month back, so please try to watch so that you will get more understanding. So in that video I have explained in detail how to find the month names based on the month selection. For example, if I click on May month means, so I am displaying from January to up to May. So and different scenario, like from the selected month to up to December month, like that I have published a video. So please try to watch if possible, so that you'll get more understanding. Now we can see that we have date column. So with respect to each day wise, this is the total sales. So in this context, in 2002, so 1st January, this is the sales amount. In 2nd Jan, and this is the sales amount. 3rd Jan, like that we have sales. So in 2002, for example, if I click on 2003, so we can see the 2003. So here I will select July. Now we can see that from January 1st onwards in 2003, we are displaying the running total up to the July 31st, right? So like that I have written the expression. So even we are displaying a chart. Okay, instead of table visual, I'm just displaying the chart so that easily we can understand how the trend is running total is going on for the selected month. In this page, so based on the selected month, from the selected month onwards up to the December 31st for the selected year, we are displaying the running total. So now you can see that separate chart for this also. So even you can select anything, any month, like for example, if I select 4 means, let's say April. From the April onwards, we are displaying the running total up to 31st 2002. Okay, so like that I have written the expression. So I'll try to show what kind of functions I have used to get these values and all. First we'll try to find the what is total sales. For total sales, I have used the sum x and a calculate function to get it, and for running total one, I'll try to zoom it so that we can see. So first I'm checking by taking the if condition, if this measure is blank. Okay, so what are the values coming from this measure? If it is blank, return the blank. Otherwise I'm taking the total value function. Here I'm using that measure. Okay, in the expression argument parameter, I'm just using that what do you call measure, and finally passing the date. Okay, so even for running total, this is also same one. Okay, so like that I have designed the report. So it works, even you can select any month, it will work. For example, if I click on July month means, so July month from the April to 31st, because in 2004 we have sales up to the July 31st one, so that is the reason we did not get up to the December month. So that's all for today's video. I hope you like this report. So if you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. Stay tuned for videos. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.